and welcome to Cursive Writing for All. Today we're going to practice cursive letter, capital D and lowercase d. Remember, we want to have our letters to slant. So I draw my lines first to help me to remember to slant my letters. If you are a lefty, make sure you are slanting your paper. It helps your letters to come out better. Okay, so we start with the top blue line right underneath. You want to start at the top blue line, go to the left and curve. Go all the way down to the solid red line, make a loop. Cross that first line that you started, come back down to the red line, go all the way up, meet that line you started at the top and make your curve or your loop. Okay, I'm going to do it again. Start at the top blue line. You want to curve down, make sure you're slanting. Make a loop, come up, go back down to your solid red line. Come all the way up and make your loop. Okay? Let's do it again. Start at the right underneath the blue line, make your hump, come down at a slant, go all the way down to the solid red line, make your loop, cross back over the line that you made, come back down to the red line. And then you want to go all the way back up to where you started and make your loop. Okay, now if you would like, you can start the video over and listen to the instructions again, or you can keep doing your capital cursive D's along with me. I'm going to do them for the rest of the duration of this line. And then what I want you to do is to either you can stop the video and practice your capital cursive D's on your own, or you can continue to make your capital cursive D's along with me, and then we'll start our lowercase cursive D's. Okay, with that line with your capital cursive D, don't forget to slant. And the more you practice, the better they come out. It's been a long time since I made a cursive D like this. We start with these cursive letters, making them the same way, and then later on you develop your own way of making the cursive letters and making your own signature. Now, lowercase cursive D. Lowercase cursive D, you start just like you do lowercase cursive A. You make your oval, you want to go back up, meet that line, go past it to the top, to that solid blue line. Then you want to come back, trace the line, come out to your bottom red line and make your tail. That's it. Easy. It's just like the cursive lowercase a, except you go all the way up. Oops, that wasn't too good. So I'm going to do it again. And this is what practice is for. If they don't look too good, the more you do them, the better they'll look. And don't forget to slant. You want to slant up to the right when you make that line. So you curve out with your oval. You go up to that top line at a slant. And then you trace back down, and then you come out and make your tail. Your oval starts right underneath your dotted blue line, right? Just like the lowercase cursive A. And then you go all the way up to your blue line, trace the line back down, and make your tail. Easy. And it does look like the block letter D, lowercase. They do kind of look alike. And I'm going to show you in a second what I mean. Okay, so when you make a cursive D, lowercase, of course it looks like this. What we want to do, or what I want to show you, is basically your block letter D. That's how you would make your block letter D. Your cursive lowercase letter D is more at a slant. Oops. All right, that wasn't too good. Let's try it again. It's the angle in which I'm trying to write. So it's slightly slanted. With the block letter D, the line goes straight up and down. Okay? So today we have practiced capital letter D, and cursive letter D. Capital letter D cursive and lowercase letter D cursive. Okay? So keep practicing. They'll look better and better. I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.